This is how the WhatsApp button looks like at the bottom here. Doesn't look so great, does it? Because this is the first style that we are trying out. So what I'll do is, or what a user would do is they can just press this button and it will launch the WhatsApp app if the user is using their phone. However, here it will actually launch the web version of WhatsApp. So if I just proceed here, you can see that it actually redirects me to the web version of WhatsApp. So you see that we actually set the button to be using style 1 over here. And style 1 actually looks exactly like this, just like how it appeared on our website. So let's try other styles. So style 2 looks something like this as well, which is not so good. Style 3 looks too simple, I guess. Or style 4 looks pretty good for web, looks pretty good. So let's try style 3 and style 4. So I will return here, select style 3 and click on save. So let's return to our website. Let's refresh the screen. And there you have it. A simple WhatsApp icon to represent the button. If I click on it, it will redirect me to the WhatsApp app or the web version of WhatsApp. Let's try other styles. How about style 4? Let's click on save, refresh, and that's how it looks like. Pretty neat. That looks a lot better. Now let's squeeze the screen to make it look like a mobile screen. So I'm just gonna reduce the width here. So that's how that button would float when I scroll the page, and that's how big it looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and further customize this button. So we could further style this button by differentiating between desktop and mobile devices. So you can go ahead and test it yourself on your phones. So let's look at this position to place parameter here. So if I want to set it top, bottom, whatever, I can select it here. Or I also can further adjust. So I could also further adjust the location of the button. Let's just say I want it to be a little bit different. So let's put 20 pixels for each of this. Click save. Let's refresh and see the effect. So you see that now the button is higher and deeper to the center area. So there are a lot more space at the bottom here and on the right side here. So that's how you can adjust the location of this button here. The next thing we could edit is the text to display. Let's just say we select this one, click save, and let's try and take a look at this. There you have it. Another neat feature that this plugin offers is the style customization feature. So you see at the menu here, at the bottom here, click on Customize Styles. So this is where you can further customize each style that you use. For example, style 1, I could change the color of the text and a lot more. I could even change the text on the button here. And since I use style 4 for my desktop, I'm gonna go ahead and customize it further down here. And I will change the text color to say, just for this example, I'm gonna choose red. And the background, I'm gonna select white. And click on save. Refresh. And you see that it works pretty well. I could also change the style tree that I'm currently using for my mobile platform. I can change this to make the icon a little bit smaller, say for example 15 pixels. So you can do a lot more with all the styles that are available.